What's up, fellow Zam Jammers? In this video, we are going to our YouTube ZA meetup. This is going to be the biggest of all of them so far, with over 36 responses from YouTubers across South Africa. We've got presenters from media houses. We've got people who are big in the South African YouTube community who are going to be giving presentations and doing Q&As. I'm so excited. And this is just the intro to the video. Wanted to let you know what's going on. Also, a warm welcome to everybody who is not subscribed and notified to this YouTube channel. I'd just like to ask everybody to drop a like so long. And if you aren't subscribed, then hit that subscription button down there. And that's the intro to the video. Done. Wait, what? I just got to the venue with the pillow and my stuff, and we're gonna just try and find the people. There might be people here. It's still like 15 minutes early, but I saw Steph and was it Rainy Rain? That's her channel name, and I think they're here already, but we're gonna find them. Now while this B-roll plays, I'm just going to tell you a bit more about these events, why we have them, and what people get out of them. Now, it all starts with community really, feeling like you belong and like there are other people like you who you can connect with. That's exactly what we want to do at these meetups. We want to provide a platform for YouTubers to get together and to know there are others like them who can inspire them with ideas, who they can bounce ideas off of, and who they can relate to with regards to their struggles. Now, these events are more than just that, what they started out to be, just meetups and bring in braais. What we incorporate in these events is an opportunity to give content to YouTubers, something they can work with, something they can learn from. So we have a structure, we have a few presenters, and a Q&A panel at the end. In this case, we were really privileged to have the REEA Foundation host us and give us this amazing venue. We provided them the opportunity to share a bit about what they do, which is a non-profit organization where they raise funds for people with epilepsy and other reading disabilities. After that, we had Sewela present a bit about how we can boost this event on social media to start getting traction. Then her fiance, soon to be husband, Vincent from Duck Sauce Productions, gave a presentation on the importance of telling a story. Then Tenn Ibair, also from Duck Sauce Productions, a media house, gave a presentation on filming techniques and how with any equipment you can film better. Michael Cost, a well-known character in the YouTube community, spoke about how we can use our mobiles to become better YouTubers. This is our Q&A panel at the end, with Owamie on the left, Rob the Ranger in the middle, and Thando Hlope from Azania Realness on the right. This was an amazing opportunity for YouTubers to engage with YouTubers who they look up to, who have a lot of experience in the field. What's up, guys? We've arrived at the end of our meetup. It was great. We had all the people share. We had Rob and Owamie and Thando all sharing. Guess what? Their links are going to be in the description. You can guess that much. Turn the camera to Veejay.
Hey,
that's Veejay HD.
so like, okay.
And his link is also going to be in the description below.
My link's going to be in the description.
Like my last video, actually.
And my link?
Huh?
The girl who's actually filming this?
Okay, wait. Steph's link is also going to be in the description.
You are amazing. Oh, look at your little info card.
And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Share it if you want to, if you are a YouTuber and you want to come to one of these events, then please hit me up on social media. There is a form. We're going to have one at the end of every month. We're even considering making them more broad to include Instagrammers and other creatives as well. And if you are just someone who is South African and enjoys my content, it's so noisy over here, you know what? That's the end of the meetup, guys. I'm going to try and include those other people who are in the footage with very noisy backgrounds. But yes, I would love it if you dropped a like on this video. And if you didn't like the video, feel free to drop a dislike. But just tell me why. Just tell me why. Because, I mean, just like these meetups, I plan to make my channel bigger and better. And I want to know what you guys like and what you don't like of us. Also, you can comment your thoughts if it is something positive. I like positive feedback. Obviously, I'm a human. And that's all from me. That's all from me. So until next time, Zamjammer out. Now, if you liked what you saw here and you want to be a part of the next one, then check out the link in the description for the Google form so we can get your information and keep you updated about the events to come. We are aiming to broaden the spectrum of creators who we appeal to. In fact, this was the last of the #YouTubeZA meetups, and our next one in April will be the start of our #CreateZA meetups, where we open it up to people from Instagram, photographers, artists, YouTubers, and much more. So stay tuned, and if you want to be a part of the next one, please do. I'd love your feedback, and yeah, I'd love to see you soon.
You never quit the film.
No, this is B-roll. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.
Come at me, bro. The threats. Come at me, bro. And he's got a camera. This is a dangerous situation already.
You're just
Look what she does to me. You're evil, Wena. You're evil. So these are all the YouTubers who are on their way now to actually going to shoot at Delta Park for the sundowners, for the golden hour, which is pretty awesome. And I will be on my way to my next meeting, but stay tuned to their channels for the updates.